Is this good timing or not? Possibly, yes. There's that black 5 again, look at that. Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is Al. No, I'm not in the loft yet. I'm in my workroom at the moment. We're just going to send the laser off. I've had good and bad results over the last couple of days, so let me show you what you've been up to. I'm ready with my laser glasses on, so let me show you. So this is laser Gerbil, and you can see this is my smallest bridge out of the series. It's 70 by 30. So yeah, it's quite small, just for culverts and cattle creeps, is it what they call them? I'm just going to send this off. I've made batches of trials. These are all rubbish. They're all rubbish. But what I have got here is the start of my production line. So we've got 320s. It's the biggest, one of the biggest bridges I do, like a city bridge with no supports, or it could be alright for even O gauge. And these are these are 225 by 50, I think. So they're almost ready for painting. They've got the top plates on and everything. So yeah, looking good. But I haven't been up into the loft for a few days, and I can't put it off any longer. So we're going to set the laser off, open the window and go upstairs for a little run. Here goes the laser. Estimated time 45 minutes to burn this off, and I think it's a double pass. I don't know how to stop that yet. So let me engage and see what happens. Where are we? Glasses on. Glasses on, here we go. Let's go and have a look. Yes, it's already started. I've got to open the window, it's a bit smoky. I've got to stay here until at least one bridge size, so I can measure it. But yeah, we're going alright. Back in a minute. Well, let's leave that working. What's it saying? 40 minutes to go, so let's do another run session. Hopefully the room don't catch fire. Well, welcome back to the loft. I haven't been up here for a few days, and boy have I been missing running trains, because there's normally not a day goes by unless I'm away somewhere where I'm not up here running trains. So and I can see the 37 on the milk train, and I've just found two repaired milk tankers to join that rake. So let's get her out. Well, to get the 37 out, I've got to get rid of the 20. So let's get rid of her, and she can go up onto the top level. So she's on her way. And the minerals train is running as well. There she is. She's on the minerals. That's cool. We've got to change number 13 before she gets here. And hopefully she'll disappear up the there she goes. That's her going. let her go right up the top. Alright, let's see if we can get the 37 out. She's on the milk train, so let's go. Come on, darling. These rails haven't been cleaned. Come on, darling, off we come. Here's the 8-wheel drive version. We're on the clean rails now. But we're off. Doesn't sound good. I thought something was off. Can't tell, it makes such a bloody noise, that thing. I know, something's come off on the mineral wagon. Oh. There she comes again. It pulls this whacking great milk train up the gradient without even thinking about it. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing back on the road. Again through the chimney breast, across the viaduct. Through platform 2, I think it would be. Oh, look at that. I think this will be going through platform 3, I think. Well, I hope that makes more sense for you. There we go, while I've been playing the Loft, I think there's 7, 14, 28, 75mm bridges. And this is one in construction of the 320. 324 I think mil long, just over a foot. So yeah, onwards and upwards. So it's beer o'clock now. So that's all for Mum. I'm going for a beer. Laser's done its job again. So more designs coming. So that's Alan out. Take care. Bye. See you on Sunday. Well, thanks for watching. It's Al in the kitchen. I'm editing this video right now with this new Windows Clip Champ. Windows 11 has taken the old editor away, which I was quite happy with. Now they've got this all laughing, dancing, bells and whistles Clip Champ. and I don't really like it, but I'm forced to use it. So anyway, stop whinging now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for my supporters and everything. Hopefully I'll see you for a running session in the loft on Sunday, depending on how cold it is up there. So that's Alan out. Take care. Alan, goodbye. Bye.